I was always very conscious of how I was being perceived and how people looked at me. So I think at some point I just stopped being spontaneous. Even to this date, I struggle being spontaneous because for 25 years of my life, I was very reserved and, almost tied up by my own self to not express anything too much lest my secret goes out. दिल कह रहा उसे मुकम्मल कर भी आओ, वो जो अधूरी सी बात बाकी है, वो जो अधूरी सी याद बाकी है, वो जो अधूरी सी याद बाकी है. I knew I was a girl. I mean, if I were a girl, to me, the world would have been perfect. Every night I used to go to sleep praying that the next morning would be different, that the next morning I'd be magically transformed or something. I felt disgust for my body. I hated it. And I was just, it felt like a prison every single day, every single minute.
मैं आंध्रा से आंध्रा से विजयवाड़ा से मेरा गांव के लिए विलेज है 70 किलोमीटर का. उधर उधर से मैं बम्बई आया. मेरा मम्मी मरने के बाद दो बहनें मेरा, वो दोनों को मैं ही तैयारी करके चोटी बांधना, नहाना, तैयारी करना, वो सब मैं करने का, खाना पकाना, घर का काम सब मैं खुद करना पड़ता था. अभी मेरा घर पे मेरे भाई से बहुत मुझे तकलीफ हो जाती थी. मेरा भाई मैं तो लड़की लोग के साथ में दोस्ती करते, लड़का लोग साथ में नहीं घूमते, लड़की का छाल करते, इजड़ा का देते, ये वो बोल के मेरे को बहुत डांटते और मारते भी मेरे भाई. मैं मेरे भाई का बात उनका बात सुन के भी मेरे को उधर रहने के लिए दिल नहीं करते थे. हम 2-3 जन साथ में बम्बई आ गए. बम्बई आने के बाद मैं एक इजड़ा का घर पे मेरे को वो लोग छोड़ा. वो मेरे को अच्छा देख रही थी, हाईब्रो वगैरह बनाया और चिमटा करने के लिए बोला था. लाइट दाढ़ी आते मेरे को, दाढ़ी मूछ आते मेरे को. रात को पंजाबी ड्रेस पहनवाया, ड्रेस पहना के और ओपन करके ले आके हम धंधा पे लेके गए. उधर जाने के बाद क्या करने का मुझे मालूम नहीं, कंडम क्या होते भी मुझे मालूम नहीं रहते. वो लोग को कंडम 10 कंडम दिया था, तेरे पास रखो, कोई कस्टमर आएगा तो उनको पहना के सेक्स करो.
ਉਦੋਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਇੰਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਆ ਮੈਂ ਹੈ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੀ ਸੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਸੁਮੇਲ ਹੋਰੀ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਤੂੰ ਬਸ
If I'm any, like, whatever percentage of sortedness I have today in life, it's because my childhood was very well nurtured and, protected. Because otherwise I was in hell. It was extremely difficult to live even like one day of that life. I can't imagine living that life again. For me, Gunraj was a deeply sad person. I felt everybody was better than me. I didn't fit in anywhere. छींटे रंगों के पड़ते ही कोरे ख्वाबों में जड़ते ही महफिल हो गई वो सभी जो कभी सुनी सी गलियां थी, वो सभी काफिला बन गई. It so happened one day that I got to know about these counselors in Patiala who counseled people on issues. I was about something 14, I guess, or 15. So I didn't want to tell my parents. I told my brother and went. He knew everything about me and he knew I was dealing with something. And I told my parents I was going to a friend's house, but that friend happened to call at my place, and so my parents got to know that I was somewhere else and they got worried. When I came home, that's when my father sat with me. We sat on the terrace of our house for like 2 hours, and I told him that, I just don't feel like a boy, I feel I'm a girl. And he said, well, maybe it's a phase, maybe it'll pass away. I mean, he never got mad at me, nor did my mother. It was very difficult for them, but they were always in this phase of trying to understand, never dismissing it, never saying you are a fool, you're a mad person, never saying all that.
Trans or trans-identified is an umbrella term with many identities below it. So you can have a transvestite, you can have a transsexual, you can have various socio-cultural groups, like for example in India we have the Hijras, in Thailand and all they have something called Kathois, and in Mexico and South America you have something called two-spirited people. So these are the various socio-cultural groups which will also be included under transgender. So transgender is a wider term which includes all individuals who are crossing the gender binary. Gender binary is either male or female. So there are only two genders that can exist, and transgenders are everything and anything that exists apart from this gender binary. And transsexuals are individuals who are ready to cross the gender binary. So if a male decides, yes, I want to undergo a sex change operation and become a female, that's a transsexual. Hijra is more of a cultural term. So if a person says I am a Hijra, that means he or she has joined the Hijra clan already, and they are transgenders. They may or may not be transsexuals.
इसके +2 के एग्जाम्स होने थे, हाँ। उससे पहले ये चली गई थी, 1 महीना प्री बोर्ड्स होने थे इसके।
और चली गई थी तो मेरा ख्याल लेटर छोड़ गई थी, ये एक मेरे नाम पे लिख के, एक अपनी मम्मी के नाम पे लिख के। तो वो लेटर जब हमने पढ़ा उसके बाद मैं तो बहुत थोड़ा अपसेट हो गया।
That was a phase when I had a huge crush on a guy, and there was no way to tell him because I knew the answer, and I was like mentally really screwed up. I had not done any studying, and I had been a grade A student throughout my academic life. So I just decided that I'm not going to take these exams, and I'd heard about this Brahma Kumari's ashram in Mount Abu. So I actually ran away from home. I got goosebumps by the time I reached Delhi that night, and Delhi was extremely unsafe for even teenaged boys then. I mean, I was actually approached by these really like disgusting men on the railway station and asking me to come with them. I got really scared. I didn't know what I was doing, so I called my parents and and my mother was crying on the phone and she said, please come back. And I said, yeah, I'm sorry, I will come back tomorrow. Now it's night. Next early morning, my father came to pick me up from Patiala. And on our way back home, he became really emotional. And he told me that, we've been there for you. Why did you have to do this? Why can't you just confide in us? And then I felt really guilty that time because I'd put them through this, which was not fair. After all that they'd done for me.
थोड़े दिन के बाद मेरे को एक गाड़ी वाला मिला, लारी वाला. उनके साथ में मेरे को रोज आते, वो रोज आके 100-200 रुपए ऐसे दे के चल जाते. कुछ काम नहीं करते, कुछ नहीं करते. 3 महीने ऐसे किया. 3 महीने के बाद वो एक दिन बारिश हो रही थी. बारिश के दिन मैं गाड़ी पे चढ़ी. गाड़ी पे चढ़ने के बाद वो बोला था मैं आपके साथ में सेक्स करूँगा. बोली तो हाँ करो, चलेगा. पैसा देगा तो मैं किसके साथ भी सो जाती. मैं वो करने के लिए आया ऐसा बताया. मैं नहीं, मेरे को वो नज़र से मत देखो. मैं तेरे से शादी करना चाहती हूँ. वो ऐसे 6 महीने नहीं 1 साल तक मेरे साथ में प्यार करने लिए. मेरे कितना चाहती. मैं क्या मांगेगा तो वो ला के देते. किधर घुमा बोलते उधर लेके जाते थे गाड़ी पे. मेरे को तभी इंटरेस्ट हो गया मैं उनसे शादी करने के लिए. फिर मेरे को ऑपरेशन नहीं हुआ. फिर ऑपरेशन होने के बाद हम दोनों एक मंदिर पे जाके शादी किया.
Here's your coffee.
Thank you, darling.
No, you better praise it.
Yeah. Let's test. It's actually nice one. While we were in college, I wasn't that close to her. I didn't know her that well. She just was an awkward, shy boy. We're young kids and stupid, so we speculate and we thought she may be gay or whatever. It sounds so weird to say she may be gay, but that's what we thought then. And I think a lot of us didn't even understand a concept like transsexuality. If someone is feminine in their behavior and sings and dresses up a certain way, we expect that they're just homosexual. So the other kinds of sexual minorities we didn't really even know about until the end of the year when Ghazal's film, her final project, was shown in the theatre at college, and that's when we understood what it is.
A few memories keep coming back to me all the time. Like the day when I played a tiny role of a girl in the school play. Something which is so difficult to do now. I still remember, even when I was back from school that day, I just wouldn't get out of the skirt. I kept dancing all around the neighborhood. It was a happy day. A really happy day.
There's one line in that film which moved me so much and got me to look at it for what it is. It's something that's very simple. There's a girl who, a transsexual person, who says that when a girl is not happy with her eyebrows, she can just go to the salon and get her eyebrows done. Nose jobs, everything is okay. Why not genitals? It's as simple as that. If one is not happy with the way one looks, they can change.
made that documentary, and I've taken that home to show my parents and my brother. You know, to introduce them to the things at large. They only knew me and my problems, but they didn't know the world out there. I went to my brother's house and I showed him and his wife they were the first people in my family to see it. And the first thing he said after watching is that you must do it. He said, I had no idea that it is this difficult for you. You should do it. He said, there's no way you shouldn't do it.
आंध्रा में मेरे को कड़पा में ऑपरेशन हुआ, तभी 5,000 लिया था डॉक्टर। ऑपरेशन सर्जरी करके मेरे को 5 दिन में वापस लेके आया। मैं यहाँ आया तो बहुत दर्द हो रहे, फिर इंजेक्शन दिया था, वो इंजेक्शन देके मैं सो गई थोड़ा। 3-4 दिन दर्द बहुत हो रही थी। फिर वो 4था दिन वो पाइप निकाल के मेरे को पाइप निकाल के रखा था। फिर वो टाइम पे तो पेशाब करने के लिए जाएगा तो खून आ रहे, पेशाब आ रहे, मुझे मालूम नहीं रहती थी।
It was only when I made my documentary in the film school that I actually met a lot of other people, and I met one girl who'd been to Bangkok to get her surgery done, and she was extremely happy with her results, and it was also far cheaper than the US. That's when I realized that well, it was accessible, it was possible. So my father pulled in some money and helped me get it done.
दोपहर का टाइम मेरे एक बहन को फोन किया, मेरा ऐसा हो गया, मैं लड़की बन गया, वैसा बताने के लिए खुशी में मैं उनको फोन करेगा तो वो उल्टा मेरे को बुरा खबर दिया, पापा मर के आज 11 दिन हो गया, पापा मर गया 11 दिन हो गया जाता है। तो मैं वो टाइम पे तो बहुत रोया, मैं टाइम पे तो बहुत मेरे को बुरा लगे, बहुत रोई। फिर मैं रो रहे तो मेरा घरवाली बोल रही, वो मेरा नानी गुरु बोल रही, तू क्यों रो रहे, कई किल रो रहे, तू रोएगा ना, बाहर चल जाओ, बल्कि मेरे पेटी किट्टी बाहर किया था। बाहर करने का बाद मैं वो दूसरा मेरे मम्मी है, वो मम्मी उनको समझा के उनका घर पे रखा, उनका घर पे रखे मेरे को रुको
क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं।
हाँ भाई, चिको पानी चाहिए?
नहीं
थोड़ा पानी
वो बात की है ना, ऐसे
कोई बात
थोड़ा
नहीं,
स्वाद
कोई बात नहीं,
नाक
समझ
बंद।
कोई बात
As a mental health professional, as a psychiatrist, I am concerned with certifying the individual that the individual has gender identity disorders. One reason is because there may be other psychiatric disorders wherein the person may start feeling that yes, I am of the other sex and so I need to go in for a sex change. It may be a delusion. So GID is just to rule out other psychiatric conditions and then say that no, this is not any other psychiatric disorder, this is plain gender identity disorder.
There are official processes which have been created by all these authorities, the Passport Authority of India, which allowed me to get my sex changed on these identity documents from male to female. So I got a certificate from my doctor. He wrote this certificate after my surgery that I have now changed my sex from male to female. He was very particular about writing infertile female on the certificate, but it's still female.
मेरा नाम कोई रवि है बोल के कोई किसको भी मालूम नहीं। हमारा ऑफिस से बन गया, वो उसका प्रूफ से हम बैंक अकाउंट खोला था और पिन कार्ड भी उसका प्रूफ से ही बनाया था।
शुरू में तो हम ऐसा नहीं चाहते थे कि किसी को बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो लेकिन बाद में हमने फील किया कि अगर इसको ओपनली हमारे पास रहना है, ओपनली अड़ोस पड़ोस में कहीं लोगों से मिलना है, तो उनको जानना ही पड़ेगा। या तो वो खुद जान जाएंगे या वो बातें करेंगे। ये क्या हो गया, कौन है। तो फिर इसके आने से पहले ही हमने दोनों ने डिसाइड किया कि भाई हम जिन से हमारा मिलना है, उठना बैठना है, जिनसे हम बात करते हैं, जो इसको जानते हैं, तो उनको हम बता देंगे।
The neighbors right opposite to our house in Patiala, they actually, got really angry and said, how can you allow your son to do that? You should have beaten him up, locked him up and slapped him and, सीधा करना चाहिए था उसे. That was one of the few negative responses. But yeah, like a couple of days later, two neighbor aunties came to my house and they hugged me and they said, चलो अब लड़का भी ढूंढ लो अपने लिए. So, that was sweet. शिमले दी राहें चंबा कितनी दूर, शिमले निवसना कसौली निवसना, शिमले निवसना कसौली निवसना, चंबे जाना जरूर है.
वैसे भी हम किसी की परवाह नहीं करते कि किसी को क्या महसूस होता है. हमें ये लगता है कि हमारा बच्चा खुश है, हम अंडरस्टैंड कर गए हैं, तो दैट इज फाइन.
मेरे बहन लोग मालूम है, रिश्तेदार लोग को, चाचा चाची और अंकल आंटी, भाई, मेरे भाई, वो सब लोग को वो बताते भाई किधर भी होटल में काम कर रहे.
भाई ने क्या
मेरे भाई की नहीं बताया. मेरे भाई का अभी तक नहीं मालूम. आउटरीच में हम फील्ड में कंडम देना, ICTC सेंटर में लेके जाके उसका HIV टेस्टिंग करवाना और गुप्त रोग का टेस्टिंग करवाना, ये काम था. मैं पहले सेक्स वर्कर का काम करते थे. मेरा इतना बदलाव आया है, मैं अभी सेक्स करने के लिए नहीं जाता.
For the past 3-4 years, I've been writing Hindi film scripts, feature films, and I must have written some like 7-8 scripts. And the first one will probably release only in 2014.
I was looking for a writer, and a friend of mine suggested her, and I already knew about Ghazal and her transformation before she met me for the first time. So I'm full of admiration for her, and I'm full of admiration for people like her who go out there and fight the odds and try to sort of make their dreams come true, and not even just dream, it's just your human basic need.
The identity, which is the most basic attribute of human existence, achieving that was my goal till now. I mean, that overshadowed all other goals, all other dreams of my life. Today that I've fixed that, I think I'm ready to create some more fabulous dreams for myself. ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके, ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके. मंजिल मुश्किल तो क्या, धुंधला साहिल तो क्या, तन्हा ये दिल तो क्या.